So real quick, I'm going to use LPWorks to set up a few items on the scale, just to kind of show how everything works. So here, let's just grab one plu, and I'm going to grab the information from the Excel file that we've received. So the plu number, let's just drop the 5. So I'm going to drop the 5 because CAS processes about 4,000 plus, and so having that extra digit is going to sort of mess with that setup. Let's use this item code here, but it's also drop a few digits, so looks like the 5 always repeats. Yeah. All right. So message number is going to be 1, right? Message is the ingredients, and then we have the name. So I'll use this for the name. If I want this to be on the second line, I can do that. And the price is 55.52. So we don't put decimal points here. All right, so we have this one. Now let's create the actually, let's just export this so we have it. This will create the message for the file for us that we can use to add the rest of the items and just follow this pattern. Alright, so we saved it. Discard. And let's create this message now. So let's add a message. 1, add, and the message is going to be the ingredients. Okay. Again, I'm just grabbing the information from the Excel spreadsheet that was provided to us. And so, and we've already referenced this. So let's go ahead and save this as well. Right. And now we're ready to go ahead and connect to the scale and process that information in. So I'm gonna demonstrate that on the video next.